Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change a GMC Terrain headlight. This guide will help you replace your headlight bulb quickly and efficiently, ensuring your vehicle remains safe for driving. You'll find that this task is quite straightforward, requiring only a few basic tools. Maintaining functional headlights is crucial for clear visibility, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Let's get started and illuminate the path ahead with a brand new bulb. To begin, you'll need to gain access to the headlight bulb. First, turn your front wheels fully to the side of the headlight you are replacing. This provides much better access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the single T20 Torx bolt, which is typically found behind the front bumper. Once that bolt is out, carefully twist and remove the protective cover. This action will expose the headlight bulb, allowing you to proceed with the replacement. Now that you have access, it's time to remove the old bulb and install the new one. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Then, gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise until it releases from its housing and pull it out. When installing the new bulb, insert it into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Remember, always avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent damage. With the new bulb installed, it's time to put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect the electrical harness securely to the new headlight bulb. Ensure it clicks into place for a solid connection. Next, replace the protective cover and reinsert the T20 Torx bolt, tightening it until snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If both bulbs need replacing, simply repeat these 4 easy steps for the other side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.